For all those wanting to do a Mumbai-Goa road trip, your life is about to get simpler soon. Right now, it would take you at least 12 hours and possibly bad roads along the way to fulfill this college dream. However, now the Maharashtra government has proposed to build a new expressway called the Konkan Expressway, which could cut the travel time between Mumbai and Goa to just about 6 hours. While the proposal was mooted some time ago, the Maharashtra State Road Development Corporation has now sought environmental clearance for the Greenfield Expressway, which means it will be started from scratch. The expressway will be 6 lanes wide and 376 kilometers long. The MSRDC has sent the proposal to the Environment Ministry for clearance. Let's take a look at some features of this project. The expressway will run along the scenic Konkan coast and stretch from Panvel in Navi Mumbai to Sindhudurg, going through Raigad and Ratnagiri. It ends at Patradevi, which is about 2 hours from Goa. We will upload an official route map once it's released. But it currently takes about 9 to 10 hours to cover the distance between Mumbai and Sindhudurg. With this project, this timeline will decrease to lower than 6 hours. Depending on the speed limit, it could go as low as 3 to 4 hours. The expressway will have 14 interchanges and is expected to cost about 68,000 crore rupees as per reports. It will have 21 major bridges, 3 rail overbridges, 41 tunnels and 8 wayside amenities. The new corridor will not just reduce travel time but also provide a better and more comfortable route for commuters. In addition, it's expected to create job opportunities and improve connectivity in the districts surrounding the expressway. Meanwhile, the Mumbai-Goa highway, which has already been sanctioned, will most likely be operational by December 2024. This is NH66, which covers a distance of 460 kilometers. It was initially scheduled for completion in 2016, but even now 99% of it is complete. This is a 4-lane project, parts of which are already operational. A couple of days ago, Maharashtra Chief Minister Eknath Shinde had inspected this highway, reviewing the pending work. While the stretch from Ratnagiri to Goa is complete and operational, many parts in Raigad district require significant work. The road's condition was a concern, especially due to Ganesh Chaturthi, during which many people travel from the cities to their ancestral homes in Konkan.
सालों से इसका काम शुरू है। दुर्भाग्य से गडकरी साहब ने खुद भी इसमें बहुत ध्यान दिया। उन्होंने कॉन्ट्रैक्टर को लोन भी सैंक्शन करवा दिया, लेकिन कॉन्ट्रैक्टर जो है उसी की लापरवाही से कई कॉन्ट्रैक्टर अच्छे हैं, उन्होंने अच्छा काम किया, जो गलत है उन्होंने गलत, और उनके वजह से भुगतान करना पड़ रहा है। इसलिए ये इस पे आज हम लोग यहाँ पर जो गणपति में तकलीफ ना हो हमारे कोकण वासियों को, गणेश भक्तों को, इसलिए एक 3-4 मेथड से हम लोग ये भर रहे। एक जियो पॉलीमर टेक्नो पैच है, एक अपना M60 का जो हार्डनर है रैपिड एक्शन, उसको रैपिड एक्शन ने अभी देखा है कि ये तुरंत सेट हो जाता है। इसको पूरी तरह डिविजनल कमिश्नर, कलेक्टर या नेशनल हाईवे के अधिकारी है, PWD है, MSRDC है, पूरे यहाँ के सब जो ऑफिसर है वो पूरे काम कर रहे हैं। CO है, इसका रिव्यू लेंगे और उसके साथ ही SMC की जो टीम है हमारी, वो उसको भी हमने साथ में लिया है ताकि वो भी इनको सपोर्ट कर रही है। जैसे मुंबई नासिक जो है उस हाईवे पे अभी जो 8-8 घंटे लगते थे, अभी 3.5 से 4 घंटे पे वो ट्रैवल टाइम आया है। और वैसे ही यहाँ पर भी हम कोशिश कर रहे हैं कि पूरी तरह ये हमारी गणेश भक्तों की यात्रा सुकर हो।